Whenever I see souffle omelette on social media, I always ponder how we can make it more unique, more localized, and then it shocks me. Souffle omelette with salted egg. We're gonna make souffle omelette with creamy salted egg sauce. So in the process of it, I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks to make your life easier while making the souffle omelette. With that said, let's head to the kitchen. Yo, welcome to my kitchen. Firstly, we need to clean the salted dark egg. Place the disposable bag on the table. Ready 3 salted egg on standby. Proceed to clear the ashes away. Once done, wash remaining remnants of the ashes away with water. Prepare a pan. Crack the dark egg. Separate the yolk from the whites. Place a pot filled with about a quarter of water on the stove over high heat. Once boiling, lower to medium heat and steam the yolk for about 6 to 8 minutes. Remove any excess egg white. Place a pan on the stove over medium-low heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Add 2 yolks and stir to cook till foamy. Add half cup of cream, 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of creamer or milk powder. To achieve those hawker store tastes, make sure to add half teaspoon of chicken seasoning or MSG. Once the sauce becomes cohesive, season with salt to taste. My guess would be roughly about 1/8 teaspoon will do the trick. But make sure to add more or less accordingly to how you like it. Feel free to add any salted garlics or curry leaves if you want more aromatics. On to the souffle omelette. Take 5 small eggs. Separate the yolks from the egg white. Set the egg white aside for now. We will only use 4 egg yolks. Whisk till yolks become cohesive. Add salt to your egg white and season to taste. You want to mix the egg white till it reaches medium peak. To whisk the egg more efficiently, do not whisk it in circles. Instead, whisk it in a back and forth motion. You'll be able to introduce more air more efficiently to the egg, making it easier to reach medium peak. Take a pan and set it at low-medium heat. Add the yolks to the egg white and gently fold till combine. Add 1 teaspoon of butter, swirl it to coat around the pan. Gently add the egg to the pan, cover and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, use your finger to scatter half a yolk over the eggs. Cover it back and let it cook for an addition of 2 to 3 minutes. Take note not to overcook. It will flatten the omelette if overdone. Temperature control is essential. If all is done right, you will get a light brown bottom. Once done, fold the omelette into half. Then proceed to cook to whatever doneness you like. But take note that the longer you cook, the less fluffy it will be. Very carefully flip it to its sides. Let the outer cook for a while and seal the side. Gently lower it to a plate. Reheat the sauce. If thickened too much, add a little more cream. For dramatic effect, pour your salted egg sauce all over your omelette and boom! Your salted egg souffle omelette is done. The souffle omelette was super duper fluffy. The salted egg sauce complements the omelette really nicely as well. It's a great combination. I mean, what could be more Singaporean than that? Let me know in the comments down below if you try it. I'll be really interested to know your opinion. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. I would really appreciate it. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.